Hi everyone, it's me again, Riza from I2 Prime Realty. Currently, we're here in Ayala West Grove Heights. And at my back is the property we are going to feature. It's a 3-story architectural design home. It has 4 carport. We can also park dito sa labas. That's allowed sa village. As long as your car has a sticker. This lot is 510 square meters and its floor area is more or less 680 square meters. This also has a pool, 10 by 5 meters. And mamaya, I'll show it to you. Let's check out the house. Let's go in. Ang maganda dito sa property na to, it's along the main road of Ayala West Grove Heights. A few steps down, andun ka na sa clubhouse din. Upon entering, you'll be welcomed by so many plants, which is something I really like. I love houses na madaming tanim kasi mas malamig siya sa mata at sa pakiramdam. From here, may daan going to the pool, but I'll show you the pool later. And on this side then is the way going to the maid's room, driver's room, and the laundry area. Mamaya pasukin natin yan. I'll show you the carport. This is what I was talking about. 4 carport. Maluwag. SUV man, sedan, sports car, kayang-kaya. And on that side, landscape na rin. Very beautiful house. Newly constructed siya. Makita nyo, meron pang ginagawang finishing touches. The lot is uphill, kung mapansin nyo. And dito sa Ayala West Grove Heights, malabig dito lalo na pag December, January, February, and kahit naman sa gabi, kahit anong month, okay yung klima. So the main door ay nasa second floor. At dito naman, this was designed to be an aquarium for koi. Pero ikaw bahala kung anong gusto mo. Pwede ka maglagay dyan ng waterfalls. Mas nakakadagdag ng aesthetic sa bahay. And this is the main door. It's a 2-door solid wood. Mahogany. Pero before we go in, let's remove our shoes because sanitation and cleanliness is a top priority dito sa bahay na to. Pasok natin, you will be welcomed by a modern chandelier. High ceiling. Ito na kagad yung iyong living room. And on the side of the wall, fluted wood. This sofa is already included. You have all your wide windows with you dito sa living area. We already have the TV and the fireplace. And this home comes with an elevator. Nakapatay lang ngayon kasi no one lives here yet. And super safe to. You cannot just open it whenever you want kasi wala pa yung mismong lift sa harap mo. It's magnetic. So, hindi siya pwedeng basta mo na lang open, malalaglag ka. That's not gonna happen. Safe to na in-install for you. And on this side, itong room na to, this can be an office. This can be another room or a guest room. Bahala ka, how would you like to transform it? Meron kang huge panoramic windows. View of your neighborhood, and on our right, part siya ng, it's not a major park of West Grove. Meron na ring aircon installed. So it's a split type inverter. And this is the common toilet or the powder room. So, dito naman tayo sa dining area. May AC installed na here in the dining area. You have this yours na. Look at the lights. So beautiful. And here's your kitchen. This countertop is an emerald quartz. So, hindi siya dumihin, madaling linisin, low maintenance. May installed modular cabinets na rin for you. Gusto ko to, yung mga walang handle na cabinets. Wala ka nang iisipin na natanggal yung screw, ganyan, kabit mo pa. So, good. So, meron ng kasamang two-door fridge, inverter. Ang ganda din ng mga overhead cabinets. You already have your sink, your gas stove. It's a 6-burner gas stove. May exhaust, microwave oven, and oven. And over here is another room. This room is senior-friendly room. Nakita mo yung door niya, larger than the ordinary doors. You have your window there. Meron ka ng bed. You can install more lights pa. Ready na. May AC. And meron ka ding walk-in closet at your toilet and bath. And this toilet and bath is smart. See? Also this mirror is also smart. Let's go check out the swimming pool. So going to the pool is another area where I think this can be a dining area din outside. Pwede ka din mag-set up dito ng dining area mo. Mas maganda, look. Kita mo yung pool, kita mo what's happening, kung may mga bisita kang kids. And itong laki at haba ng swimming pool is 10 by 5 meters. And yung lalim niya is 4 to 5 feet lang. So safe, hindi kalaliman. I see myself living in this house. I hope you also see yourself living in this house. Wait, we forgot something in the kitchen, the pantry. This is the pantry of this house. Ikaw na bahala to put your shelves, to put your cabinets. Ikaw na bahala, transform it the way you want it to be. It's up to you. And let's go to the third floor. Yeah, third floor. Meron kang magandang window dyan. This is also mahogany, 2 inches, matibay. And you have that chandelier. Bulb chandelier. Ganda, aesthetic. And you also have your indoor balcony. The view is the living room. And that wonderful chandelier. Nandito yung lift. Again, it's safe. You can just open it whenever you want. Here's the other room. May bed na, AC, panoramic window. Ganda ng view. Akalain mo may ganito ka lang pwedeng tirhan near Metro Manila. May cabinets installed. Dalawa. Ba, try natin. Di basta-basta yung quality. And your toilet and bath. What a tiles. Ano? Akyat tayo ng bahagya to see ano pa ang meron dito. This one is a storage room. Malaki siya, oh. Madami kang pwedeng store. Pwede ka pang maglagay ng shelves, cabinets, para mas madami ka pang malagay. And another room. Ang lalaki ng room. You already have the bed, your huge window, AC installed, lights installed, walk-in closet, and your toilet and bath. And we're off to the master bedroom. Meron kang sariling balcony. And sa balcony, ang view mo dito ay the pool. Ang isa pang maganda dito sa bahay na to, wala kang kapitbahay left and right. So walang obstruction sa views. And that's the park I was talking about. Hindi yan yung main park, pero it's another park dito sa village. Ayala West Grove Heights has so many amenities. May Central Park, in other parks, may sports facilities. Kita ko may yoga community pa, mga ganyan. Ang dami. Tapos parang they have, it's also a sanctuary for eagles, parang ganun. Ito. We have the king size bed. Ang view mo, para kang nasa Baguio, ang taas mo. Baguio or Antipolo, mga ganyan. Nakalaki ng master's bedroom. And here's the walk-in closet and the toilet and bath. Meron kang bathtub. And the toilet is smart as well. I love doing that. Hindi ako pwedeng pumasok basa. I hope by this time, na-envision mo na yung sarili mo na tumira dito. It can be your weekend home. pero parang kung ako gusto ko na dito. And on this floor, meron kang huge balcony. You have the view of the swimming pool and your neighborhood. And I hope you enjoyed this tour. And if you like this property, just send us a message. Hindi pa tapos. May basement pa. Kala ko tapos na sa sobrang laki ng bahay. Meron pa palang basement. So big. Now we're off to the basement. Baka natatandaan nyo kanina, tinuro ko yung maid's room, laundry room, and the driver's room. Papunta tayo dun ngayon. Yung may way going to the pool sa side. So, para maisip nyo kung nasan na tayo, ito yung carport. And from the carport, may entrance and exit, may access dito sa basement. Ito yung lift. And dito na yung laundry room. May receiving area pa nga sila, diba? And the maid's room and the driver's room, may common toilet and bath sila. And let's check out 2 more rooms. Meron na ding common toilet and bath dito sa basement. Just in case you're enjoying yourself sa theater room, you don't have to go upstairs. If you feel like peeing, if you feel like using the comfort room, meron na sa labas ng theater room. So this is another room. It's up to you, whatever you want to do with this room. This can be a stock room, and if you are into music, you can transform this into a studio. Ganda, nag-e-echo pa nga yung boses ko dito. Pwedeng-pwede. And here's the theater room. Wow! Ang laki. Ako yayain ko dito, friends ko. Dito lang kami. Netflix and chill. May konting beer. Ganyan. Madaming snacks. And you have these chairs pa. And I hope you have enjoyed this tour. Again, this is Raisa from I2 Prime Realty. Kung gusto nyo tong property na to, just send me a message. And I appreciate if you're gonna like this video, subscribe sa YouTube ko, and follow us on our social media accounts. And if you have other properties in mind, dito sa West Grove, meron tayo dito iba pa, or anywhere here in the South or in Metro Manila, we're going to help you. I2 Prime is offering a lot of listings na babagay sa preference mo. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you on our next tour. Goodbye!